Hello, folks and friends and professionals. Let's welcome back. This is very important video, and just try to give me your comments. So where you are lacking your skills, how confident you are, how best I can able to try in my channel to upgrade you such a skill level. Okay. So I'm just expecting your likes and comments for this video. Skills matters when it comes to topic. No one worries about your count, experience count in resume. That means you are 3 years, 4 years, 10 years, 15 years, 6 years. So like this is applicable for all experienced consultants as well as. Okay. If you want it to be different, all these things over the process last 10 years, I was trying to update myself. But this one, early of your career, if you are identified, then you will be the best in the market. Okay. Your time is not going to waste. Skills. It's very interesting, right? I like this picture. That's why I'm showing you. So now see this. So if you're a functional consultant, so definitely you will have a questions about idocs and EDA handling. So EDI, anyhow, it is happening in between two systems that you can able to see in real time, and you can read the documentation in over the internet. But when it comes to idoc practicals, you must learn this because see, I'm telling you, suppose if you have a 10 to 12 questions in your 25 minutes or half an hour or 45 minutes or sometimes even more than 1 hour, how good fight you have given for your entry also. Because if you have certain skills, because of two questions you might have chances to lose your job interview. Seriousness matters when it comes to learning. Okay. I'm also lazy, but I'm skilled. But I don't have arrogance to say that because every day I'm working. Every day I'm working myself. Still, I don't know many things. Okay. After having a lot of experience also. Those skills which I don't know, even the person who is trying to interview me, he might also don't know how to ask such kind of questions because my experience got matured enough to handle interviews. How about you? Do you think that it comes with experience? Certainly it will come with experience, but what is your contribution towards it? That is the question matters. Okay. If you don't have any experience, see, I'm telling you, all my course structure will be helpful to you crack interview. At least I can able to guarantee each and every SD consultant. Okay. So if you are from other background also, certain important general courses also I have done. For example, if you see here, let's come to page number 2. Okay. Lot of YouTube content I'm giving you. I don't know what is your interest level to consume actually. This is a straight question to you after doing 500 plus videos. Just consume. Try to increase your IQ. Okay. See this. This is one of my top course and currently it is top rated 4 plus above. idoc training for SAP consultants with business. So this is the kind of course if I want it, it is not available 10 years ago. I was run behind people I wanted to know. In YouTube also a lot of things available now. See in these 5 scenarios available, outbound, purchase order push to other system within the same client in the similar way, it is going to happen. Your IP address and your logical system is only different. You should know this fact actually. When you try to sync all these 5 scenarios, you remember a little at least. Don't think about, configuring and practice that is different actually. Probably might not do. you might not able to do on your systems, because practice systems sometimes was to support you. Just try to learn what is a logical system, what is RFC connection, why we are connecting, what is the business behind in it. If it is third party system, what is the my interest level? If I'm getting into the real time, how I can able to generate, how I can able to improve myself, what is my interest level to see that system. Before that, something is available, you try to consume and try to get into your mind. That is more important. Okay, real-time idocs training, sales order creation, inbound and outbound, your delivery notification, outbound, your billing notification and delivery notification. Also two scenarios I have shown. Just try to get into this, friend. See, this is very, very important. You're not understanding the seriousness of your job trials, or after getting the job, why you wanted to become like, slave for other person, have a dependency. So many people in Telegram and Facebook and other, you know, modes of social networking, they are pinging. I am in Vijayawada. I am in Hyderabad. I am in Delhi. Anyone is available to help me? You are not a beggar, brother. First, you try to understand. Work hard till today. After having 10 plus years of experience also, I want to learn something. Such kind of attitude you must have. It's like a waves. You're learning. Sometimes you might be down, completely down. How much experience you have also, you are completely down. No one cares about that. Again, you have to pick your wave to the up when it is down. Okay. So this is one thing. Okay. I'm concentrating. I'm thinking like that, out of thousands, at least one is firing for job like me. I know the pain. That's why I'm doing all these things. Okay. So it doesn't matter what you are paying. It's peanuts. Who cares? Try to grab the knowledge and get the job. That's what matters. When you are happy, I will get blessings. When you are happy, your parents will be happy. Your wife will be happy. A lot of things. Okay. So this is one thing. So certainly you will have some questions around idocs and EDI handling. EDI, you try to read over the internet, you will get 8 series, like, what is EDI standards for sales order. If you take invoice and your delivery notification, if it is returns, if something is different, then try to grab some knowledge. Don't confuse. If you don't understand, no problem. Listen one time, listen twice, listen 5 times, listen 10 times, no problem. Same course, you listen 10 times and try to grab something. That is what important it is. At least people will open the door. No one is going and push you directly. Hey boss, we have to handle this. Sometimes it do happens also. It happened to me so many times. For the project to project, project to project. That's where you will build your confidence. Cross module skills, you know, third party sales, intercompany sales, intercompany stock transfers, and free of charge, subsequent free of charge, and credit memos, complaint handling, debit memos, invoice correction request, cash sales, rush order. All these are like, the module, the package of SD. You should know all these things. What is the differences field by field? Where is your interest level? I don't want to come back to you in a better way. The person who wanted to take positively for him, I'm talking here. Leave about criticizes. I don't care. Okay. So when it comes to here, so like, some 300 to 400 people consumed this ECC. So before going into you, just try to watch all these. This one day time is there. You will have so many interview questions, cross questions. What is the basic difference between cash sales and rush order? What is the basic difference between rush order and your regular sales? What is the why immediate delivery required for rush order? If it is required with availability check or without availability check, It's, see how it is coming from my mouth like that, your interview board will be framed like that. It depends on if some other person is knowledgeable, definitely he will ask more, so many questions on standard itself. Why he wanted to go across? Why? Because they don't want to ask more real-time questions. I'm telling you, it is always 7:3 or a 8:2 ratio. 8 questions you will get most of the times in standard. At least out of 5 interviews, 3 interviews you will get it. Out of 3, you have to get 1. That is your target. Like that, you have to become like a weapon if you want to really wanted to work here. Otherwise, don't waste your time for this. And here I explain SD business processes and cross-module integration. This is an ECC. 16 initial I told, it is more than that. If suddenly ask you, okay, what is proof of delivery? If suddenly ask you, what is uh, basic difference between inter and inter-STO? Like, the kind of explanation is also important. The way you explanation, okay? The way you explain also. So stock transfers, ECC is there and S4 HANA is there. If you want, you can try. And let's get back to the topic again. So complete business, sometimes they will ask business relevant questions and I'll try to give you in future videos. Process understanding, like you can able to see this in standard delivery is coming. So how it is coming, what kind of different delivery document types we have, and how it differs. What is going to the gap in standard? If I want automatically, what should I do? If I want to do email processing, what should I do? At least try to grab the knowledge. For example, the tables are there. NAC is the transaction. NAST is the table. Okay. So like that, try to get, I have given everything in my 500 plus videos also. Some tips. Those are very, very important at the time of facing your interview. Okay. Live about other things. And integrations are in interfaces. Live about interface. Integrations, SDMM, SDFI, SDPP, SDWM, EWM, like that, So next one is, this is also like, functional spec writing. This is very key once you start working in the industry. When my third day started in the industry, they asked me literally to write a functional specification. By the time I didn't hear that word also. No one helped me. So I'm just trying to add my experience here. What is the pain I have gone through that I just converted into the, like, the explanation of worth, diamonds or whatever you call. Okay. It's not so easy. SAP job. Try to get onto the skills. Come back with full confidence. Why you wanted to throw your money? Why you wanted to share your salary to other person? Learning also deceiving. Doing job also deceiving. Huh? What is this, brother? Why we want this kind of generation in the market? Okay. Leave about those 10% will be there who wanted to buy the job. Let them buy it. They will have their own troubles. They cannot do anything like, true male in the market. Right? They will have other tensions. They'll spoil themselves. Leave about them. If you are not among them, if you wanted to move forward and try to work on that. So functional spec writing, I have given including the template. Actually, this is real-time template which I have added. I didn't talk about that. I shouldn't talk about that here. Download the template, getting master to write functional specification. So whoever is worth, they have learned. It is 4.7 rated. They know the value of this. In this rise of explained, each and every section detailed I explained. Try to get onto that. Try to learn. If you want to equip, get with these skills. Back to the industry. Okay. Come back with force. Industry is ready to pay. It's all skills matters at the end of the day. That's why I have taken this picture from internet. It's attracted a lot to talk about this serious topic. Okay. Client handling, you know, you learn if you have above skills, you know, A to Z alphabets. What is the point to sit with the other person to teach about your A to Z? If you don't know A to Z, you know only ABC. From D onwards, you don't know. Then you have a problem. The above skills you don't have. It's very difficult to handle the client. Clients also so clever. Some people who are sitting at on-site coordinators, they will screw you. I'm telling you. Coming with experiences, no one questions. When you come with experience, show that confidence, what you have. Okay. Next, critical issue handling. Why I'm talking about this one? Probably we will take out one more separate discussion on this. Suppose you have a queue of tickets, some 10 to 20 you are handling in a month, sometimes 30 to 40. No one cares about how you handle 18 tickets out of 20. The two critical tickets is matters. So then what should you do? I'm not giving fear to you. So that's why basics is important from day onwards. Last 2 years, I'm telling you your basics, even small thing, country field, enterprise structure, or you take any small thing, okay? Common distribution journal, common divisions, partner determination, VOB and transaction code, whatever you take, output determination, whatever you take, text determination, nothing can be neglected. Client has which requirement we don't know. So standard, be thorough with it. Need not remember. At least your fingers should move on the system. Okay. So critical issue solving, data loads. How many watched? So let's come here. Let's discuss a little more what we have done. This YouTube. So let me try LSMW. Okay, let's see this. It takes some time to search. Here I have given LSMW. How many guys watched? How many guys you have done practice? Just comment here. So this sometimes if you are in rollout project, it is very, very important to know LSMW, live about the real-time process, the configurations and those things. And this is very, very important. Someone is uploaded, not only me, any YouTube channel, they have uploaded LSMW. They know the value of that. Some functional consultant throughout their life, like 5 to 6 years, or else 3 years out of 10 years, or else some guys out of 10 years, after 10 years in rollout projects, they're doing all these things. Then what is the problem to you? Come here, learn this LSMW and additional skill set. Let's have a discussion. I have given a GST to give edge. So India, we will have a lot of clients who has implemented GST. Try to learn outbound if you're a consultant. So if you don't get project, that is different thing. Like, you know, the person who is doing an interview, he might have the SIN or GST experience. He wanted to check, like, you know, what is the skill set you have on tax determination for India. Just go through all these videos. Okay. So I'm here trying to give you my best to get to know. So support ticketing tools, sometimes they will ask for fun. So whether you really worked out what kind of tool you are using in your project. Indirectly, I'm telling you, okay, support ticketing tool statuses. We don't have all these things. If you go back, we're coming here and trying to give our best to you know, give the explanation. So what I am suggesting, if you are really beginner, really wanted to get the job, just follow me how I did it my course and how I explained. Go around, like, you know, here it is including YouTube videos and all put together 90. If GST also I have added here 98.5 hours. It may go to 100 hours or 150 hours. So the person who wanted to really utilize, he can utilize it. Okay. So think about that. Now it is 11 p.m. I'm doing this video. You understand? Okay. Let be serious. Let it be serious. Okay. data loads and work processes. Okay. See, in these skills, what I wanted to say is, don't take it my words with seriousness. Finally, what I wanted to say is, in this, what you lack in, at least 1 or 2 lack in, that's okay. Some 3, 4, 50% lack in, okay. With 50%, you can attempt SD or MMFI or any interview. In this, I'm specifically marking here idoc and EDA handling, and here are 5 processes I explained, and you come to, you know, your cross module skills and functional specs writing, integration. That's okay. Like 1 or 2 questions you have, if you don't know, also no one will ask you. Like, certain projects it will be pure and standard. If you go back to the old projects from 4.7 to 6.4, less customization will be there. Probably you don't get an opportunity to work on such kind of issues. At least let's perfect for standard, so that you will be back on your toes. Okay, that's why I'm telling you what I'm telling. Experience count in your resume doesn't matter. So when you have a real skills, that's matter. Okay, be brave, try to handle the things. Let's have tension, no problem. I'm also handling my tension. Let's handle your pressure. Who will come? Next door boy comes, or else your girlfriend comes to interview, or else your parents comes to your interview. You have to handle it. Skills also you have to improve it. Okay, I'm sorry if anybody, if anyone get hurt because of this explanation. Take the positives. I wish you all the best. Our Indian name got changed to Bharat. That's why Jai Bharat. All the best.